We're facing the remnants of Hurricane Ida here, about to hit us probably in about a couple hours. We're hoping to squeeze in a little dove hunt here on Maryland public land for the opening day. What do you think, boys?
I think it's gonna be good.
I called the weatherman. They said I'd make other plans if I were you, but we didn't listen. So
yeah, there's a good chance we're gonna get really
that one in the
wet.
holster all night, all day.
All right. It's raining. We got a minute to go.
Well, it's officially dove season, and it's raining. Not sure how long this camera's gonna last.
Coming around.
We had a good number of birds flying around as we were standing here waiting on go time. But if the shooting's poor, I know it's what happens. That's why there's a dove season. That way you can get warmed up for duck season. No need to tell me I suck. I get it. Selfie Dave has 2 down in the beans. Thanks for the assist.
Yep. You hit it? Is that your bird?
No. No.
You gonna miss any today?
I'm guessing yes.
I need to put the camera on my old man. He's 5 for 5, something like that. He's on fire. Oh, seriously? A little late to the party. Sailed him out. Made a hell of a mark on that bird.
I think everybody's killed one except for me.
Thanks, Wes.
That was pretty.
You made me see that bird.
You're welcome.
Cool thing about this hurricane ordeal, it's kept a lot of people from coming out.
Yeah, buddy. Nice shot.
Dave just smoked one. That one is not going to be good eating. First blood of the season.
Damn. My dad is on fire. I am not.
Bird. Still alive. Come on back. Not alive. Mr. Dana took care of him, I believe.
I hope you got that one on camera.
I hope so too. Well, that's better. 3 down. 4 down. My phone just told me to expect rain around 2 p.m. And it's 1:30. And I got 11 to go.
Jeez.
Dana's on a roll.
That's the second real good mark today. Wide coming up. Numero HO.
That last one was hauling ass. Okay, thank you.
Finding these things in soybeans is not easy. That was fun. Dibs.
This is probably going to be about it. Oh, hold on. There's not much left.
Derek, to the...
My advice on those shots is just let them go. That's been my luck today.
I think just one.
Cool.
Well, I think that's it. What do you say there, Louisiana?
What's up, feller? It's been a beautiful hunt to be the weather moved in all day.
Didn't you come up to Maryland to get away from the hurricanes in Louisiana?
Run right into them. This is way better than what we get.
Look at this.
Oh, that was That was really nice.
All right. What you got there, old boy?
Number 11?
Most importantly, pick them up, do your part. Nice.
I take it you're done?
Yeah, I'm getting shit out while it's dry.
I've got 14.
I'll be right back.
Soybeans suck. Oh, hold on.
Like a ninja.
Number 15.
That's all she wrote for Bonce. My dad, myself, Bonce, limited out. I know Dave and Wes are pretty close too.
Yeah.
I'm not sure where Brian's at.
Outstanding.
Nice work, buddy. Good video.
Good video.
Too bad I didn't mark it.
This is advanced stuff hunting techniques.
I like it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Coming up this side. So intense. So intense. She's a bruin.
Most skilled conservationist is usually the one still holding the gun late in the hunt, so.
We appreciate your dedication, Brian.
That's right.
Right here. Hey, there's one right here on the right. Right straight in, dude.
Whoa! Dust.
That was nasty. Please put that in slow-mo and send that there.
That a good one to end on?
That was nasty.
We're wet.
Well, howdy. That was fun. Got a little, I think we pushed it about 10 minutes too far.
A little bit. A little bit.
But that was a good day. That was a really awesome day. We were not expecting, I guess, to get away with that much time without rain. So, kind of hit a little lull there in the action, but picked up right before things got too crazy. But constantly our phones are blowing up for tornado warnings and take cover, flood watch.
Yeah, everything.
Pretty crazy. But we're idiots. Opening day, dove season. We had fun.
You and I limited out, your dad limited out,
Yeah,
Wes limited out.
4 limits. Dave was 2 shy. Brian was 3 shy, 4 shy.
3 shy, yeah.
Something like that. Good day.
Great day.
Damn good day.
Good way to start the season.
Yeah.
The other season. Not the season, because
Not the season.
that's the turkey season, but the other season.
Now it's time to get in the marsh, got some sinking to do.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.